Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about how you can create flowchart with ease utilizing ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in our computer screen, and the prerequisite of this is you need to have ChatGPT and you need to have ChatGPT 4, which means that you need to have paid version of ChatGPT. Now here we have got a list of models. So let's click here on Explore GPT. And here you need to search for whimsical diagram. And let's click on it and click on Start Chat. So this particular GPT model enables us to create flowchart with ease. Let's try with some of example. For example, let's try to visualize a ChatGPT architecture and let's see what it come up with. And there we go guys, we have got this model ready. So it shows that how the entire workflow works. Now let's see this with one more example, and then we will also talk about its customization. Let's say I want to create a flowchart of creating a pizza. So I'm gonna ask here the same. Create a flowchart of making pizza. And there we go guys, here we can see the entire process is being added. And now for example, if we want to make any changes, let's say if this pizza need to be delivered somewhere else or it needed to be served inside restaurant. So I'm gonna say that please create a condition that the pizza either needed to be delivered at customer location or needed to be consumed at restaurant. Now let's wait for a while. And there we go guys, here we can clearly see based on our input, we can see here the decision diagram and appropriate steps. So in this way actually we can customize this flowchart as well. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. And if you do create a lot of flowchart, then I would suggest you to get the premium version of ChatGPT so that you can automate this flowchart creation process and can save some time. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.